I'm your host Jason, and today I'll be showing you how to change the URL in Wix. Once on your Wix dashboard, as you can see right here, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on the three dots that says Site Actions. Once you have done that, you're going to see the option Rename Site. You're going to tap on that. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is change your site name. So you can see it right here. You could change your site name. So for example, I could type in Jason Test. Then from there, you can also change your site address or URL. So I could type in Jason Test right there. Then I'll tap on save and it will save the changes. If it is a case that you would like to purchase a domain name, you could simply tap on upgrade now and you could purchase a custom URL. But by tapping on save right there, you will realize that my URL is now changed and my website name has also been changed, as you can realize by the top left hand corner right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.